All right, good evening, everybody, or morning, depending on where you're at. We have Hurricane Sally now, a Category 2 hurricane, headed towards Pensacola on the eastern eyewall there. Looks like Pensacola is going to get quite the brunt of the storm as you're on the eastern eyewall. Storm surge could be maximized in that area of up to 4 to 8 feet. Right now we have maximum sustained winds at 100 miles per hour, gusting up to 115, and we expect that area to be about 50 miles across, basically between Mobile and Pensacola. Current situation, you can see the hurricane's just about to make landfall, and the eastern eye wall is going to go just to right around or just to the west of Destin, and the western eye wall is going to go towards Mobile. Any part of the eye wall is very windy, at least hurricane strength. But the worst of the wind, the absolute worst of the winds on this part, from here up to right here. So the northeast quadrant is where you always get the strongest winds, and also repetitive, very heavy rainfall, causing flash flooding right now. You can see wind gusts up to 56 miles per hour now in Mobile. This thing's just barreling on in, and I really shouldn't say barreling, as it's moving quite slow, but it's packing quite a punch, and it has strengthened to a Category 2. So I want everybody to know that it's a Category 2 hurricane now coming right at these areas. And that hurricane wind field will expand, and it will be from Mobile to Panama City. In between there, basically, I wish I could draw on this. This ain't the right thing, but basically, this thing's gonna move north, just due north, maybe a little bit east. Panama City's right in there, and Mobile's right there. So, right in between those areas and up into here, you can see significant damage from winds. Along with rainfall. I'm going to show you a few more things here. Not that yet, but here's what happens. Look how it briefly just blows up. It could become stronger right before landfall. It could even become a high-end Category 2. Look at that, boom. See? Boom. And it remains fairly strong, with a lot of rainfall. We'll look at the wind field. You can see that between Mobile and Pensacola, we're going to have hurricane force winds. And then the rainfall, there you go. You're talking about double-digit totals, at least a foot of rain in the gray shaded areas, possibly up to 20 to 30 inches in localized spots. This does not cover the rest of the storm. This is just for 48-hour rainfall totals. So it's going to be quite dangerous and quite a flooding situation in the western panhandle of Florida, as well as parts of southern Mississippi, or southern Alabama, sorry. So that's all I have. Again, it's a Category 2 hurricane. Hunker down, and we'll make it through this.